All right, I'm going to cover how to use your theme options panel, and I'm going to upload a new logo and show you how to do that. So you can get into the theme options panel by hovering over your site name and going to customize, or by going to your dashboard and going under appearance and customize. Once you click that, it'll open up a preview window in your theme options. And the cool part is you'll be able to see all the changes occur um, in live in this preview window, and you can choose to publish them so everyone can see them, or you can cancel your changes and start over. So the logo is going to be under these, or the different settings are under these different tabs. And let's go and start with the logo. So that's going to be under theme settings, and you'll see a bunch of options. So you have your theme logo, pretty self-explanatory. It's this highlighted area right there. And then you have your logo width, so you're going to want to upload a logo and make sure that you have the correct width in there, and that's just to make sure the responsiveness works properly. And then this navigation margin top, it kind of sounds a little confusing. All it's doing is adjusting the navigation so it's centered right here. So if I uploaded a tall logo or a shorter logo, you'll need to adjust this, and you can just type in a bigger number or a smaller number, and you can see how it adjusts it vertically as needed. And then this logo background color, it may seem tricky, but it's really simple. Basically, to get this full screen background color, we needed to use a background image, and all you need to do is edit that color as you need. So let's go ahead and start with an example and upload a new logo. You can just click on the logo, then we're going to select a file, and I have a new logo on my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and click open, and then we'll adjust our logo width as needed. This logo width happens to be the same, so I'm going to leave it at 157, but you'll notice the navigation is way too high. So let's go ahead and adjust this by just adding larger numbers, and you'll see it slowly going down. So I think we're probably going to be around 78, and you can see how that gradually moves it down so that it is properly centered vertically. Now yours probably won't be this extreme, but it's a good example. So now that we have that set up, you'll notice this orange band, and that's the logo background color. And yours probably won't match, just like this example. So how do you deal with that? You need to upload a new image, and so let's cover that. So if you go under your files, you can go under additional files, and there's this templates folder, and there you can find an example logo if you want to make yours just like ours. But this is the one we're looking at, is logo background. So if you open that up, you'll see, I actually need to reset this. You'll see that it's this big orange blob and there's nothing else. So the cool thing is you don't need Photoshop. So many of you may not have Photoshop, and if you don't, all you need to do is make a large image that's 1,140 pixels wide by 20 pixels tall, and then fill it with one solid color. So like I said, you don't need Photoshop, but this is the Photoshop example. All I need to do is fill this with the color that matches my logo, and now we've made this big blue block, and that's what is repeated there. And so let's go ahead and save that to our desktop. And then let's go back to our theme options panel, and we're going to upload a new background color, and it's logo background new.png. So let's open that up, and it's uploaded it, and you can see now it matches properly. And again, that's the only confusing bit that might be for you is probably this logo background color, and it just creates that last sliver of color, and all you need to know is to make the image those dimensions I provided and just fill it with the solid color that matches your logo. If you don't want to have one, if you want it to be this gray background color or whatever color you set there, you can just remove the image, and your logo just won't go to the edge. So there's a bunch of options for you there, but that's going to be how to upload your logo and that sliver of background color.